We were so glad when the Belvidere Centre could reopen because it does provide such a much needed service to people and to support workers as well and families, because it's a safe place to go where people feel included, they feel welcome, they feel happy when they've been here, and they show that themselves. They wouldn't come here if they didn't want to be here. We know that because they tell us if there's anything they don't want to do. And we're just so happy to be back open and sharing music and art and activities with people again. So the past 2 years have been a challenge, but there's been so much good that happened throughout. In the beginning, as with a lot of places, we put our services online so we could still keep connected to our members and still run our groups. We ran lots of music groups online, quizzes, art activities, photo competitions, lots of fun things so that we could still provide a valuable service to our group members.
The Belvidere Centre was opened in 1971. It was open to help disabled young people, their friends and family. I am a support for my grandson, he comes here. When lockdown started, it was really strange. We did lots of things on Zoom. Everybody kept in touch using WhatsApp and messages. The staff at the Belvedere made everybody more than welcome to get in touch, and we did lots of Zoom things like bingo, which was a real success. And as a lot of people were under a lot of stress at the time, it was really helpful for the carers as well as the people involved.